You may now proceed to the teleporter. Ito na. Oh my god. The very last burger. Ito na yung moment na yun. Manalo tayo sa contest. So, ito na yung last burger. Important note. This is the 15th burger. Congrats! Now take your reward. You have to get back to eat to get it. Huh? Use the teleporter to return. You have to get back to get your reward. Now take your reward. Huh? This is a 15th burger. Congrats. Now take your reward. Okay. Kala ko naman yung reward natin yung burger lang. Okay, kakainin ko itong 15th burger. Door unlock. Wait lang. Ano nang mangyayari? Parang smell something fishy. Ano to? Kasulat dito. Important note. There's another teleporter around this area. This sequence is ito lang din yung kanina eh. Yung kailangan natin ay yung reward. Kailangan natin kunin yung reward, di ba? Kasi naubusan natin yung 15 burgers. Saan yung reward? Rigor? 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 Girl! Girl! Ay, gosh. Rigor! Return, girl! Girl! Rigor! Saan na siya? Girl! Parang kinakabahan ako dito. Parang may kakaiba. Ano mangyayari? Ba't wala pa yung reward ko? Jollibee! Jollibee reward! Saan na yung reward ko? Oh my god. What the hell? Hindi ako makapasok. La. may burger pa po. Ito yung note kanina. Ay, nangyari dito. May note. This is the reward, a golden burger. Ay, na yun. The 16th burger. Kala ko 15. Kinabahan ako sa 15, tapos meron pa palang pang 16 na burger. I know you expect something else. Seriously, be more realistic. Now go home. Playtime's over. Take care. Hahaha. XD. Jollibee talaga. Patawa yun. Return to your car. Wait! Boss, nakabahan ako. Pinapauwi na ako sa car. Parang may kakaiba. Ba't niya ako pinapauwi sa car? Tapos may take care pa. Parang, John Lloyd, ingat, bye Jessie. Yun. Nakabahan ako. Parang may something wrong. Something doesn't feel right. What? Ah! Joke lang yan. Ano lang, nag-vocalizationism. Maganda yung boses, di ba? You see, we really like you, but we're but we're really hungry too. The 16th burger you eat is full of spices to make your flesh taste better. You know what I mean. Anyway, we gave you a chance. You can still activate the teleporter. You prepare our food. Running for his life anyway. Good luck. Love, Jollibee. XOXO. Nakaka-stress. So, ang goal ko na lang ngayon ay makalabas dito sa Jollibee kung saan tila ang saya. Stress. Nakaka-stress. Kaya, niloko lang ako ni Jollibee. Wala. Kailangan kong i-reactivate yung teleporter. So, magagala na. God. Kanina ka. Letter C muna bago letter A. Ayoko na. Stop na lang dito. Ayoko na maglaro. Ah! Oh my God. Something wrong. Ay. Parang nakita mo yung ex mo dumaan bigla, di ba? Siyempre matatakot ka, di ba? Ayoko na. Quits na, ayoko na ito. Ang scary na bigla yung Jollibee. Okay na.